Hey guys, what's happening? How to back up your camera roll on Snapchat. Snapchat doesn't automatically back up your camera roll. To save photos from your camera roll to Snapchat memories, you need to manually export them to Snapchat. You can then choose to save them to memories, or both memories and your device's camera roll. So if you want to back up your camera roll photos to Snapchat memories, open the Snapchat, right? And then access memories right here. Okay? And select the camera roll right here. All right? And choose the photos. Okay? Select the photos you want to back up. Let's say, for example, this photo. Okay? And then hit basically send to. And then you're going to be able to send it to your story, right? Or certain groups, right? And that will basically automatically save the photo. Or you could just go ahead and hit the three dots at the top right and hit export photo. And now they copied it to the clipboard. Okay, so if you want also, you can save it in my eyes only. And basically that's like a special category for photos and videos you don't want anyone to see, and that's another way of actually saving your camera roll or saving your photos and videos on Snapchat. So by following these steps, you can back up your camera rolls camera roll photos to Snapchat memories. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. See you in the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe.